Welcome back to the breakdown. We're going to be taking a look at a magnetic car mount here that clips into your car vents and allows you to mount your phone without blocking the car vent on it. We're going to be looking at the pros and cons of this and give you our thoughts on it. Increasingly in many areas, it's not just illegal to text and drive, it's illegal to pretty much hold your phone and drive in some counties, some areas, as they crack down on distracted driving. But we still want to be able to safely see our Google Maps and more with this. And that's the great thing about this is you can mount it up high right where you're going to easily see it without having to take your eyes a long time off the phone to look down or off the road to look down, etc. at your phone. This allows you to use Google Maps and other things very easily. So let's take a look at the pros and cons. A few disclaimers though first. This was a review unit, but they don't see this review until it goes live. They're watching it on YouTube just like you are. So keep that in mind. Second, if you are new here, do me a big favor. If you want to find this on Amazon, check out the show notes down below. I'll put a link to it there. And do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. So YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow, helping me support my family. I would really appreciate it. So with that said, let's start off this review just by actually looking at it. It's a pretty standard little mount. It does have this nice arm here, which is adjustable. You can actually rotate this by loosening this here. And then you can rotate it and go up or down, however you want to place this. All cars are different, all people are different. It allows you to adjust it however you want it. It does have this little clip that goes into your car vent, and then you tighten this down to extend it or collapse it down to lock it in place. And then you can lock different places in here. You can run this to adjust it to lock it in place too. So this is very adjustable to kind of fit your height and your position with it. We'll show you it in the car in a minute. And then it's just a metal plate here with a magnet in here to go for any case with a magnetic backing, or they do supply, some of you need it, or if you have a Magsafe phone, you can connect it that way too. Let's take a look at everything that came with this and it in action in my car, and I'll talk about the pros and cons of this. Now, a few things with this. It is just a standard magnetic charger. There is no wireless charging with this. This isn't a powered charger, which is fine. Those are typically slower than just plugging it into a USB-C cable or USB cable from your car's charger. Will typically give you a faster charge on most newer cars that have faster, more powerful chargers, or you could buy a more powerful charger and plug it into the old cigarette lighter or whatever you call that in your car now. Overall though, I was very happy with this. I've reviewed several of their car mounts and they've all done very well in our testing without any problems. I do really like the fact that it includes multiple metal rings like this, that their sticky adhesive can go on your case, can go on the back of your phone, and then it clips onto, and then this will clip onto this magnetic holder here with it. Let me show you it in action with my Pixel 7 here. So this is my Pixel 7. You see very firm hold here. In our testing, we live in Michigan, the potholes and all that had nothing on this mount. It was able to successfully hold our phone in place without problems going over railroad tracks and potholes in Michigan. If you know what I'm talking about, if you've been here, you know the potholes here are quite severe. So that's a pretty nice little feature with it. Now, it's very simple to assemble. It was very simple to install. It took me less than 30 seconds from taking it out of the box to have it mounted on my car. It's really that easy. So a few things with this. Super easy to do. Won't block your air vent. Still allows air to come out underneath it so you can still feel the air blow on you, but you can still have your phone very visible and stay in compliance with a growing number of cities and states that prevent you from holding your phone and using your phone as you drive. So, 2 thumbs up. Says what it's going to do, does it well. It seems well made. Everything worked exactly as we wanted to. The ability to lock in position and hold exactly the way I want it worked great. It did not move or fall or adjust as I drove around. I was very, very pleased with it. So overall, 2 thumbs up. If you want to find this on Amazon, I'll put a link to it in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment. You can find it there. If you're new here, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here so YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow, helping us support our families. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll be back again real soon.